Okay, we're at the receiving end. Yung pagkain, pero busog tayo. Canadian na isang pagkain. So, yeah. And then there's coffee. And then there's the pop. Just to get familiar. Kuha tayo ng Coke. Okay, we're going inside. Pasok na tayo. But check this one, please. Meron mga gimmick yata ngayon ng mga kwento. Meron photo booth. Ayan. A quick one, sir. Ano ang ginagawa dito?
Photo booth. We're doing
photo booth, and then and do your selfie.
Do your selfie.
And your TikTok move.
And our TikTok move.
Okay.
Come take a picture.
I will. May photo booth doon. So familiar faces. See? So we're inside na already. Tapos na yata silang that was a sound check earlier. Ano pa niya? Just so we're just so we're looking for table 4. Kinuha tayong pagkain kanina nung pumasok tayo, kakain tayo, and then we will vlog the place. Pero maganda yung stage, maganda yung presentation. Abang lang. Kain tayo. Kala ko. Isda, pero payagan dahil 8 years old pa lang sila eh. Ngayon yung ginawa niya. Pagkatapos, sinishare niya yung kalaman niya sa Mario's game. Yung mga backdoor, yung mga... So, ginawa ko siya para ma-entertain lang. Tinitinan ko lang naman. Pagkatapos na naugtog ng matagal, nung pandemic, binisip ko ng pandemic. Kasi, ang goal of my life, wala akong mag-up. Takot ako lumabas. Pag lumabas ako, patong gusto yun, nakagano'n ako. Talagang gano'n. Tapos, magkabilaan, meron ako alcohol, kabilaan. Tapos, meron pa akong ginawang anti-COVID. Kasi ang mindset ko, pag inuman ka ng COVID, ito pa lang yun. Nararamdaman ko yun minsan, pagka imalabas ako, pagbalik ko, o kaya, nakaroon ng kate, tapos parang meron na akong, parang, yun, iinumin ko yun. Kaya, 1/3 of the cup is luya. Talagang ito, luya, dami. Tapos, tubig, tapos asin. Boil mo. And then, lagyan mo ng lemon. Then let it cool down. Kasi kundi lang may inom eh. Pero meron kang liquid. Na pag inom mo gano'n, okay lang. Yung lunok lang, maliit na maliit sa lunok pa. Pero tama-tama lang na it will reach you here. And then take a sip of the liquid. But maliit na lunok lang. Maliit na lunok lang. Just to reach your dito para mag-warm lang yung mararamdaman mo eh. Kunti na kasi, dito lang. So, yun yung mindset ko na kasi pag dumating, saka lang ka nang mag-worse kung dumating na siya sa Langsmo. Magpepesta na yun. Magpepesta na sa Langsmo. Nandito na yung kailangan niya. Eh dito is making his way down to your life. Kaya, inom agad para patay agad siya. Yun yung mindset ko. Kaya, hindi ako na... Tanong ako. Iinom ako kahit ngayon wala akong naramdaman, iinom ako ng konti. Tapos konting lemon. Pag lumabas ako, pag sa bahay lang ako, wala. Ha? Yung pandemic, pero, pero wala lang, parang nawala na yung thrill ko sa fishing. Napunta na rito. Kasi yung sa YouTube, 3,000 something. Tapos sa Facebook naman, 6,000. Isuot ngayon yung aking chest, pero wag ako eh. Tama-tama, tinawagan ako, walang ginagawa. Ako lang. Meron akong naging parang ahente na din vacation. Kung bibili ka ng vacation mo na member ka na eh. Kung bibili mo yun, 10,000 talo. But then, you want to choose where you wanna go. You wanna go to Japan? Give them an advance of 2 months na pagka naging member ka ng 2 months,
kasi mamaya, diretso na mamaya mag-vlog pa ko.
I'm just trying to, pero hindi ako gutom. Yun naman yung team vacation. Dinner lang yung dinner. Maraming invitation. Ngayon, hindi naman darating. Free dinner eh. Free dinner po. Ano yung ginagawa? Nagsasawa ako talaga. Nagsasawa. Nag-craving ako eh. Yung kinain ko parang $20 order na double order na calamari. Ang galing yung pagkaluto ko din. Galing. Nakulit sa utawan ha. tayong kumain. Yan.
Pancit is?
Love the pancit. Long life.
Long life.
Yeah.
Ito, gusto mo naman na gusto niyo food.
Vegetable. Yan. Sabi ko siya mag-more, diba? Masustansya. But we'd like to call on everyone kung meron pa nasa labas, if you guys can hear us. We're inviting everyone inside, of course, the ballroom. And we will resume the program. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back sa ating International Marketing Partners Night. Give a big round of applause for everyone. Ayan.
Thanks so much for coming.
Thanks for making it. And I believe we're still waiting for some people. May mga humahabol pa.
Yes,
And we're
welcome sa mga
excited to
karating
meet
lang.
you. Yeah. So once again, yung mga nasa labas, if you guys can hear us, yeah, we're about to resume the program. Go ahead, Brian.
There you go. Welcome po. And now we invite everyone to please stand for the national anthems of Philippines and Canada, and after that followed by an opening prayer. So let's stand. Thank you.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Please remain standing for the Canadian national anthem. Let's call on KC for the invocation.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. As we gather here tonight for the International Marketing Partners Night, we take a moment to pause, reflect, and give thanks. We are grateful for the opportunity to come together, united from different parts of the world, each bringing our unique perspectives, talents, and aspirations. Let us be mindful of the journey that has brought us here, the hard work, dedication, and collaboration of every present. May our time together be filled with meaningful conversations, new connections, and fruitful partnerships. We ask for guidance and wisdom in our discussions tonight. May our ideas be inspired, our goals aligned, and our efforts successful. Let this evening be a celebration of not just what we have achieved, but also of the potential that lies ahead. In the spirit of unity and cooperation, we honor and respect the diversity of cultures, beliefs, and backgrounds represented here. May we always remember that it is our shared humanity that binds us together and makes us stronger. With gratitude for this moment and hope for the future, we begin our evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kizzy. Please be seated.
All right, there you go. Thank you guys. Again, no, very solid. Thank you, Kizzy.
Pero yung food,
A wonderful prayer.
yung food hit the spot, yung ang tinatawag nila. Nabusog po ba kayo lahat?
Hindi na naman, parang hindi naman nabusog eh. Nabusog ba lahat? Yes, there you go. That's more like it.
And nakumpleto. Kompleto ang food natin. Pinag-aralan ng chef.
Go, glow.
Yeah, grow, glow, and...
Yeah. And everything. A little bit of everything for everyone, right? Okay, so at this point of our program, we have another video presentation for you guys. So hit it.
Everything I know about parenting, I learned from my daughter. Because of her, I had to learn how to be funny. Because of her, I had to learn to be attentive. I learned a different kind of caring. I discovered a different kind of love. I was not sure how to be a father, but I became determined to provide her with all the happiness I could provide. I want to bring joy into her life, exactly like how she brings it into mine.
So I had to raise the game. Your dreams have always been the core of our foundation. For over 3 decades, we have been steadfast in our commitment to serve you with better choices, authenticity, and integrity. Mastering our craft involves understanding how you and your family can experience delightful moments every single time. Because it's about living the best life.
The decision was not made without hesitation. Was I really ready to take the plunge? So I did what any strong, independent woman would do these days. I searched online. And after seeing all the pictures, reading about other people's experiences, I decided to meet up with someone. He sounded so confident, and he made me feel very comfortable. But most importantly, what he showed me was just fantastic. So while I was still nervous about deciding, deep down I knew
this is a place worth calling home. A home that's smart and ready for your future. A beautiful home that you can be proud of. A happy place that welcomes you each and every day, allowing you to make deep and meaningful connections.
You could say that we are a family that lives on video calls. We have a digital home virtually connected by the internet, despite being very physically separated by an entire ocean. But to have a real home in a safe community, well, that has always been a dream. A dream that my husband and I agreed to make sacrifices for. So please forgive me if I'm a little bit emotional. But when I saw the unit being turned over to my family, I couldn't help but cry. Even from halfway across the world, it is an overwhelming feeling to
See your dreams come true. For us, this is a lifelong commitment. We are here to build the dream homes you envision. Welcome home to RLC Residences.
experiences.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, for all those amazing video presentation. Made it clear some heart.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, again.
Pero, alam mo, natouch ako sa video. Because of that. And when we talk about dream, we talk about life fulfillment, enjoyment of life with your family.
That's right.
Goosebumps mo. Kasi, nandito tayo sa Canada, at meron din yung mga family niya nasa Philippines. It's better to put them in a place where they can say, we're home.
That's right.
Lalo na pag pumunta doon.
Then yung sense of security and comfort.
Yes, comfort.
Right? Who has the same dream? Who has the same may dream na gano'n?
Nasa kamay
ng
may dream.
Home para sa pamilya. Wala saan. Ayan. Glad to see those.
Hindi naman.
Oh, right.
Kasi kahit naman single may family ka doon.
Yeah.
Na kahit nandito ka, nandun yung enjoyment nila, may experience nila na parang hindi mo nasa Canada ka. Kasi state of the art, pinag-isipan lahat ng mga amenities and everything, world-class talaga yung lugar. Kaya thank you so much, RLC, for giving us an opportunity to experience a world-class place in the Philippines.
That's right. And even if you're here, nandito ka sa Canada, pwede mo iparamdam sa mga pamilya mo ang pagmamahal mo all the way from Canada to the Philippines. So that's right. So palamahan natin ang RLC! For making dreams come true. That's right.
Ito natin mga agents para sagutin natin mga questions mamaya, di ba?
Saan ba yung mga agents?
Kasama natin mga kasama sa RLC.
Wala pa kayo mga agents! Wow!
Para mga celebrity. May mga celebrities. Di po yung naglalagay po na yun? Ayan.
Ako na naman.
Pag-sustar yan.
Yeah. Alright, and that's right. At this point of our program, we would like to call on our RLC Executive International Marketing Director. Let's give a big hand for Mr. Alvin Hua.
So,
hello everyone, good evening. Kamusta po kayo? Welcome to RLC Residences International Marketing Partners Night. But first of all, maraming salamat sa time and effort niyo sa pagpunta. Tonight, we would like to introduce to you our company, RLC Residences by Robinsons Land Corporation. We will give you an overview of our latest condominium projects in Manila. You will discover new income opportunities offered by our company, such as commissions and incentives, which, by the way, are above industry standards. Meaning to say, mas malaki ang ino-offer po namin na commissions and incentives as compared to most of our competitors. Okay ba yan? And more importantly, mas madali nyo makukuha. I mean, mas madali nyo matatanggap yung commissions. Kasi diba before, masaya doon. So, since this will be a long-term partnership, we're planning na gawin itong roadshow event at least once or twice a year. Let me assure you also na lahat ng magiging sales transactions natin will be very transparent. Lahat well-documented. To ensure na matatanggap ninyo ang inyong commissions and incentives na deserve nyo, di ba? So, please feel free to approach me anytime or yung mga colleagues ko, yung mga sales agents sa akin dito, there are companies, best of the best yan, mga magagaling, mga mababait, maasikaso, very professional sales force. So, please sit back and relax. Enjoy the good food and music. We have live band mamaya. Mag-party-party tayo dyan mamaya. Again, maraming salamat for coming. Tomorrow, we have a big event. Exclusive property preview. So, kung may mga kakilala kayong mga posible or interesado mag-invest ng property sa Manila, please do invite them. Pagtulungan natin yan. Tomorrow, we will highlight at least 4 condominium projects. Yun ang represent natin bukas. So, again, thank you and enjoy the rest of the meeting.
Alright, there you go. Thank you very much once again, Mr. Alvin Kua, our RLC Executive International Marketing Director. That's right.
Yun yung maging part ng isang
Robinson's. Yes. Robinson's Rockaway.
Siyempre, tayo sa ating first na ating dear friend dito, Giselle Rizal.
Dito naman yan. Canadian Realtor naman. Oh. Yan. Okay, so from Canada, syempre, to the Philippines with love.
Ayun naman kita sa RLC, we're given a chance to earn at the same time. And, to be part of the family of Robinson's Life Corporation. Masaya ba kayo? Excited ba kayo? Na-experience ko po, ang sarap ba ng feeling na maging part ng RLC?
Yeah,
I'm very proud.
Do you guys agree? Agree with that? Oh, that's amazing. All right.
Sobrang friendly at magagandang tao, magagandang nila lang ang ating mga kasama at marketing partners here. Palakpakan naman yung mga sarili, guys. For sure. Diba? Like, mag-i-enjoy sila.
That's right. And now that we have, right?
Yes. To continue the program, of course, to explain more, we have a presentation of international marketing partner. Let's call on the RLC International Property Specialist, Noel Evasco. Let's give him a hand. Sabi sa inyo, mga celebrity mga ating mga
hot tip sa kanila. You have to listen carefully. Bakit kaya?
Yes, hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening na, no? Ayan, madilim na sa labas. So now, na per month na, I think mas maaga na yung gabi. Diba? Before, nung dumating kami like 9 a.m. or magte-10, may araw pa. So, parang nakakapagod na nagtrabaho dito sa Toronto. Ang haba ng umaga. But, ayun, so, hello, welcome everyone. So, I'm happy to be here. And actually, it's my pleasure to present to you our marketing program in RLC Residences. Nakakaba kasi, of course, among all of us, ako yung pinito. But, of course, I would like to, of course, I will do my best to present to you our marketing program para mas ma-absorb nyo and kumbaga para mas ma-appreciate nyo what we offer in RLC Residences, no? So, disclaimer, of course, the views and opinions of the... Welcome to International Marketing Partners Night. Ayan, next slide, please. Ayan, so, tonight we're going to talk about, of course, 3 key points only about the company. We're going to discuss about the Go Home Way Group, our ambassador, our awards last year and this year. Then we're going to talk about other property, the properties of RLC Residences. So we have pre-selling properties, RFO, ready for occupancy properties, as well as house and land and prime lots with Robinson's Homes. And the last one is about the opportunity. Who are we looking for? Alright? So, are we all qualified to be a marketing partner? So, pag-usapan natin yan. Commission and incentives, as well as the requirements. Ano bang kailangan dito? May bayad ba to be a marketing partner of RLC? Meron. Mamaya, 150 each. Joke lang. Next slide, please. Ayan. So, let's talk about the company. So, I think a while ago, nakita nyo na yung video presentation about Go Home Way Group. But just to give you more idea about the company, so we are from the Go Home Way Group. Okay, Go Home Way is really a big family, one of the richest in the Philippines. No? So recently, we just rebranded. Okay, and we launched this brand, which is Go Home Way Group. So Go Home Way Group is actually listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange under JG Summit Holdings. So it was named under our late founder, which is Mr. John Go Home Way. Next. Under Gokongwei Group, we have different key investments. One is investment with BPI, or Bank of the Philippine Islands. So this is one of the major commercial banks in the Philippines. So recently, we just merged with BPI. So we have a commercial bank, we call it Robinsons Bank. Ayan, nag-merge siya, wherein BPI is the surviving bank. Because Gokongwei is now focusing more on digital banking. So we launched this brand, we call that GoTime Bank. So at the tip of your fingers, you can do your regular banking, right? Like you can do bills payment and all, you know, transfer funds, etc. Yeah. Next to that is we have almost 30% share with Meralco. As you know, Meralco is one of the biggest electric company supplier in the Philippines, especially in Metro Manila. So Gokongwei is one of the biggest investor in Meralco. Next is, of course, PLDT. So we have 8% share with PLDT, one of the biggest telecommunication company in the Philippines. And of course, we also have a partnership with DHL. That's why we have this DHL Summit solution. So when it comes to, of course, logistics, nandiyan si DHL. We're partner with them. Alright? Next is the Robinsons Retail Holdings. So as you can see in the screen, there's a lot of brands under Retail Holdings. Of course, it's retail. You can see them inside the mall or outside, right? So for sure, most of you are familiar already with these brands. And Robinsons Supermarket, for groceries, hindi ba na isa-isahan? Alright? Hindi ganon po guys. Ang dami kasi company under Gokongwei. So as you can see, it's really a big company. That's why we, property specialists in RSC Residences, we're proud to be one of the, part of the company. No? Diba? Next, aside from those, we also have Summit Media. So we ventured to advertising. No? So we have like digital magazines, and also along EDSA or C5, we have these LED billboards. Yeah, that's under Summit Media. Next is, of course, the Gokongwei Brothers Foundation, which was, of course, this is our CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility Company, wherein these companies supports the top students from different universities. They send these students abroad to support their studies, and later on, they absorb these top students. Yeah. So one of those is our very friend, Mark Delgado, who's here at Table 11. Mark, thank you so much for joining us today. For us from the Philippines. Next is Universal Robina. So for sure you guys know this brand already. So meron tayo dito sa Seafood City. So we have Max, Great Days, Cloud9, Kiatos, diba? Cremo Nova, Magic, and C2. Ayan. And then, of course, Cebu Pacific. So, ano bang tagay ng Cebu? Everyone flies. Ano po tagay ng Cebu Pacific? Hindi yan. But, ayun. So, Cebu Pacific recently, they announced that they have purchased around 152 more aircraft sa Cebu Pacific. So, it's getting bigger and bigger. Considering that we're going to have a new international airport, which will be based in Bulacan. So actually, that development is actually a good sign for property investors. Right? So the congestion in Metro Manila will be lessened because most of the flights will be, routed to Bulacan and also Clark, which is very near also to Metro Manila. Plus, all of the other developments like the train from Clark. So those things will be discussed by your property specialist. Next is, of course, JG Summit Holdings. I'm gonna JG's. Yes, sir. Next. No. Yeah, JG Summit Holdings. We're in more on petrochemical. Yeah. Next is Robinsons Land. This is the company we are under. So under Robinsons Land Corporation, there's a lot of companies or brands. Like there's a commercial division for Robinsons Malls, and then lately we have actually launched new malls, like lifestyle malls, where we have Opus Mall, No, hindi siya Robinsons Mall brand. Alright, that's High-End Mall, which is located in Bridgetown. Other than that, we have office building division. So we have Robinsons offices, wherein most of the BPO companies rent our offices. Work enabled for co-working sites. And when it comes to hotels and resorts division, we have Robinsons Hotels and Resorts, Summit Hotels, Go Hotels for Economy Hotel, Grand Summit Hotel, and the newest one, Philly Hotel, which is a 5-star hotel. Meron tayo yan sa Cebu, and then we will launch another one in Metro Manila, which is in Bridgetown as well. And a 6-star hotel, which is Blue Star, based in Cebu as well. So, as you know, Cebu is a growing market talaga. No? Yeah. Industrial Integrated Development Division, we have Robinsons Industrial Integrated Development, in charge when it comes to township developments of RLC, Sierra Valley for our Sherry Valley Gardens, Ika and Arizan, and RLS for logistics. Tayo pa ba? And lastly, of course, this is our division, residential division. So RLC residences when it comes to vertical projects like condominiums, and then Robinsons Homes when it comes to house and land. Alright? Okay, quiz tayo. Okay, next. This is our ambassador, Miss Heart Evangelista. So I think most of you know already Miss Heart. She's a socialite. She's also the good wife of Mr. Jesus Calero. She's a businesswoman and of course an actress and model. She handles different high-end brands like in Paris, diba? And different. She's a good ambassador, right? Miss Heart is here with us today. Sorry. Nobody knows it, but sorry. Next. Ayan. So I'm happy that just this year we were able to gather these kind of awards. From Real Estate Asia Awards 2024, we were able to gather Developer of the Year Philippines. Yan, si RLC Residences. And then, yung projects natin sa Manila Bay, which is Regions Manila Bay, was, nanalo siya ng gold winner sa MIA BCI Philippines Property and Real Estate Excellence Awards. As well as Galleria Residence Cebu. Ayan siya. Gold winner. And our President and CEO, Mr. Lance Gokray, as Property Man of the Year. Ayan, President and CEO. Next. These are some of the projects, premium projects that we have with RLC. Even if pre-selling pa lang siya, nakaka-gather na siya ng mga different awards. Like for Mantawi, based in Cebu, Condominium Development Philippines by Asia Pacific Property Awards 2024. And then sa Lupon naman, Best Residential High-Rise Development Philippines. So, other than that, they are also, it's really new, no? Kasi RLC is now more into, driving towards sustainability. So, Lupon is the first, hindi na siya only kasi Mantawi is also EDGE certified recently. So, Lupon is the first EDGE certified. When we say EDGE, they are sustainable. It's a sustainable project. They address the problems when it comes to energy, water, and carbon. Yeah. So yeah. Lupon, and the other one is Mantawi. Yeah. So dalawa yung EDGE certified projects natin. Pero baka naman natin yun. Of course, very important na ang development is sustainable. Kasi yun yung kumbaga in the future di ba? With the global warming, etc. Of course, ito makakatulong dito with our investors. Wherein, kumbaga, when it comes to electricity, less na lang yan. Yung water usage, mas efficient. Okay, next. So these are all the awards that we gathered from last year from DAG Properties, Southeast Asia Awards, Asia yan. European Society of Quality Research yan. And then 2023 Property Guru, Asia Property Awards. So these are award-giving bodies na talagang kilala when it comes to real estate. Next, Property Guru, we were the property developer of the year. Yeah, and all of us from RLC are very proud. And of course, the Moody's. Next. All right. So, nakinig naman kayo lahat, diba? get 1/4 sheet of paper. Ano isa ba yan?
Ayan, may nagsasabi sa inyo eh.
Thank you, Sir Ryan. Miss Ren.
Yan, dito ka sa
Yan,
questions dito.
don't worry, yung mga gusto sumagot pala na Noel, no? Sige, nandito lang kami. Ryan is on the other side, so just let us know.
So, Sir Ryan, ano ba yung price?
May karoon na agad dito, Noel.
What's the price?
Ay? What's the price?
Unit agad?
Price like 1 unit agad daw.
Okay.
Surprise daw, surprise.
Questions. Hindi kayo magtatanong sa akin.
Eh, tandaan nyo ha, dapat makinig. Itanin sa isipan.
Question number 1. So, dito ko naman, sa iyo yung answer.
Okay, sige, okay tayo. Question number 1.
Dito muna sa side na to, kasi yung gusto sa mga. Pero kung magtaas kamay ha, taas kamay.
Who is the brand ambassador of RS?
Art Evangelista is correct. Wow, congratulations. Another trip to the Philippines. 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. You need to go back.
Second question.
Sige, dito naman sa side ko. Taas ang kamay ah, pagkailangan.
Give at least one brand under the Gokongwei Group.
Other brand? Other brand? Other than Gokongwei Group. Sige, panaunin mo sila. JG.
Sorry, what's your answer? JG Savage is wrong.
Ah, okay. Another chance.
Still.
Counselor Greg is correct. Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
And the last question, here's the answer. Who is the president and CEO of RSC Residences who was recently awarded Property Man of the Year?
Kamakanak ko yun eh.
Correct.
Correct.
Thank you so much guys for participating.
Ay, gusto pa rin Prince. Gusto pa rin Prince naman. Ako lang daw ba?
Tatlo lang.
Yun lang ba? For now. Let's give the winners a big round of applause.
Right. Yeah. That's why the price is taken. Let's proceed about our property. So next time, please. Alright, so dito ako sa ventures. So, these are the properties of RSC Residences. This is just to give you an overview, because your property specialist will train you when it comes to these projects. Just to give you an idea where are our projects located. So for pre-selling projects, we have properties in Metro Manila. One is Sync Residences located in C5 Pasig City. So this property boasts it's composed of 4 towers, alright? It's very near to Bonifacio Global City, Capitolio, and also the upcoming Mega Manila Subway Station, alright? So this property, actually, we offer this to most of the young professionals who are, mag-start pa lang mag-invest because it's really friendly, And it boasts around 32 amenities, pinakamarami. Next is our Escalade. So this project is actually located in Cubao, Quezon City. Is almost done. Alright, so we're just waiting for the final start of turnover. Alright. So this project is, I think, the only project that we have that is ready for Airbnb. So you can do that for Airbnb business. But most of the units here are studio units. Alright. So this is located near Araneta, Calasillo. MRT Cubao, SRT Yon, That's why, if not for Airbnb, our target market for this project are mostly students and parents na may school nearby Cubao. Alright? Okay, the exam. Thank you.
Exam.
Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Next is, pa po, sorry.
Excited ka ba?
Alert ko mga host. So next is Summer Block. Summer Block is located in Ortigas Central Business District. This is one of our most, dito ko naman si Heart and dumugi na siya din. So, this project promotes walkable lifestyle because in Ortigas City, of course, you can literally walk around and go to areas such as like malls, of course, churches, schools, hospital, kasi malapit pa siya sa medical city. And it's literally just across niya lang, so across lang ng property is the upcoming Mega Manila subway station, which is the Ortigas North. Right? Hindi, sa ulo ko yung slide ko. So, ayun, hindi ko sa ulo na. So, aside from that, gusto ko sa dito, ano nangyari? Ito guys.
So, ito na puno eh.
So, okay pa ba tayo guys? Is it, okay naman yung mga sinishare ko na info? Do we have any foreigners here? Do we have? Like, you have to speak in English? I think we got.
Meron bang hindi
I think we have.
Central Filipino Canadian.
Can you raise your hand? Please answer. Talaga eh! Pinalas yung mga foreigners. Kasi may yun. So, hindi po ganun. Love natin sila. In fact, I have something for them.
And welcome natin na yung mga kararating lang, mga humahol. Welcome.
Actually, maganda sa inyo welcome because they're gay. Charot! Welcome.
That's true. Kasi may kararating na, libre po na yun sa
mga. Hindi, sila yung
Pati ko pa nila kanina yung
kasi yung pakikita, hindi tayo.
Oh my God!
Bigay naman natin yung prices na para malaman na meron pa tayong dalawang pwede manalo.
And now, Sir C.
Pwede mo ba kaya para malaman na ito na naman? Ay, stop toy? Balik ako may gift card ko sa loob.
Unboxing, please.
Congratulations. Ano ba sasabi mo sa Robinson? RLC, amazing. Amazing building.
What can you say? Thank you so much, RLC. There you go. And how about you, Kuya? Bago mo i-expect. Ano masasabi mo? Thank you. And what?
Hindi ako piniliwasan ko, makikigubi na maniniwala ka ito.
Para sinusunod at maniniwala.
Masakit na okay.
So kanina we were asking sino may mga agents, right? Sino may mga agents? So naman you guys can help us and help the world and diba? Parang give us a little bit of
So sa ngayon, interview mga courses mga kasama natin.
Hello everyone, I'm Prince Stefan or Stefan J. Suelo. Tuloy nyo na yan, palakpak na kayo. Palakpak naman everyone. So yan, Premier International Property Specialist po ako. At syempre kasama ko yun sila Noel at mga agents namin. At tomorrow po, isa pa kaming brand event. So please come again. Kung pwede kayo bukas, why not? Mas masarap pa ang food namin bukas. So anyway, your question is about amenities. We have different projects na may mga hyper-size amenities like sink, yung lumot namin, yung Mantawi namin sa Cebu is one of the most awarded project right now in Cebu. And yung Lupon namin is the most awarded project yet in Manila. Best development ng Cebu at ng Luzon at syempre ang Robinson's Residences, ang company namin, or RLC Residences na po siya ngayon. So thank you for listening to me and see you tomorrow, guys.
Thank you for your answer, candidate number 1.
pala. Ayan. Ready na yung ibang agent. Thank you so much.
So now this is the right time, the best time for you guys to ask questions. At sasagutin po niya, si Jenny Cristo, nandito sa left side, ito ako. Sa lahat ng mga questions po, i-raise nyo na po ngayon para masagot po ng ating boss.
Senator, any questions that you guys have? Oh, there's one over there, Ryan.
Okay.
At the front.
May questions si Senator?
Okay, walang question. Yes, meron akong question tungkol doon sa mga tao. Kasi alam namin, it's a smart building, right? So what happened if there's like lack or there's no internet?
That's actually a good question. Let me ask our director. Gusto mo yung pinasok. Sorry, friend. Pero seriously po, no? Kasi I don't think because the one is 100% power, has power, 100% power backup. But with Mantawi, there is power backup pa rin naman siya. No? Especially on common areas, ayan. And also in your units. So hindi mawawala yung very important yung lines, ayan. Saka sabi ko siya, hindi siya totally black on that. Meron tayo na backup. Did I answer? Yes.
Okay. Alright, okay na ba yan? Thank you. We just have another question here. Sige, isa pa siguro na one more.
Opo, one po. Tapos susunod na tanong, kalalabasin na. And this is a safe space. Pilipino ano na.
So, related din siya dun sa sustainable na question ko. Kasi, for me na person ko makaka-learning about sustainable equipment for specific quantity. Paano siya ma-highlight as a seller sa client? Kasi usually dito sa Canada, we have a carbon as a sustainable yes, ganyan. So yun, paano natin siya mas magiging advantage to explain how it is?
Yeah, that is actually a big thing here in Canada, right? But in the Philippines, parang start pa lang siya. And that's why the PON is one of the first, it's the first EDGE certified residential building. So there are a few things you can highlight that. Like for example, giving example. Like for example, the PON, it has rain shower harvesting system where it collects water from, of course, rain, diba? And then that rain, the building uses it to, of course, water the plant and on. So that's one good example. And then there are, of course, may nagpipituhan. Sige, ano to? So, meron din, for example, solar powered na mga lights. That we can highlight.
Do we have a specific place for the solar panels in the
most common areas?
Oh, because usually it's lit on top of the building, right?
Yeah, the solar power is on top of the building, and then yung sinusupply ng lights ay yung mga lights sa common areas. Welcome. I hope I answered your question. Kasi yung pag-Disney princess ako din. Ayan, so can we proceed now to our discussion? Alright.
Thank you guys. Thank you for
I hope we're doing right. Are we learning so far? Parang hindi ako. Thank you so much. Ayan, next is Woodsville Crest. So Woodsville Crest is located in Merville, Parañaque. This one is 10 to 15 minutes drive only to airport, international airport. Mahina daw. Ayan. So this project is actually promotes nature-inspired living. So it's 9 floors lang siya, and it's really for ang market natin dito are really for family, or yung mga young professionals working in international airport or Navy. So Lupon naman is one of our most premium project in Metro Manila. It's located in Bridgetown Destination Estate, Pasig City. So ito yung na-mention ko kanina na EDGE certified. And this project composed of 2 towers siya. And it's inside a destination estate, alright? Ano ba yung destination estate? It's a township development. So it's a mixed use. There's a high-end mall, There are office buildings existing already, and then of course residential plus open park. So Bridgetown itself is 40% open space. Next is Ceros. This is all only next to Lupon residences, also in Bridgetown. For Ceros, our target market are mostly young professionals who's working in Bridgetown as well. Or, of course, you guys, investors who want their unit to be rented by a young professional. So, most units here are studio units. So, malapit na rin siyang ma-turn over. Yeah. Di ba, Kizzy? Also, the latest project that we have is Mira. So, Mira is located in Cubao, Quezon City, near Aurora Escalades, and also the Araneta Coliseum, Araneta City, and it's very near to the upcoming Mega Manila Subway Station. So, kanino pa nag-measure yung Mega Manila Subway Station? It's very important that you know that most of our properties are strategically situated in Metro Manila near subway station because it's a big thing. Like for example, in New York or here in downtown Toronto, most of the properties that are located near subway are, you know, the property value increases, diba? Well, may pahabol si Bakla. Next is Luzon. In Luzon, we have Shadow Valley. Natutuwa kayo sa akin. Mamaya mag-tip kayo Next is Shadow Valley Gardens. So Shadow Valley Gardens is located in Cainta, Rizal. So this is actually a big, this residential property is inside another township development of RLC residences, which is the Shadow Valley. All right. Yeah, that's correct. That's 18-hectare property. It's a mixed-use development, residential, may office buildings, 9 office buildings. There will be a Robinson's Cherabon, which will be connected to the upcoming MRT4 station. O, di ba? Bongga. So, for example, for our future investors, yung mga mag-occupy sa Shadow Valley Gardens, it's very convenient for them kasi pwede silang mag-MRT from the mall. And most of the properties, mostly, di ba sa MRT, along EDSA, ang connected siya na Ayala, di ba, SM, competitor pala siya. Yeah. Yes, so that one is an advantage of Shadow Valley Garden. So, you're also near Antipolo, Antipolo, of course. Okay. And then, in Cebu, we also have properties in Cebu. Sino dito mga taga Cebu? Ayan, si Sir Jalbert, right? So, yeah, we have one in Pagtan, Lapu-Lapu, Cebu, that is Angisa Private Residences. So this property is it's connected to the 5-star hotel, which is Dusit Hani Hotel. So homeowners of this property can have access to the hotel amenities. That's one good thing about that. It's smart home ready, and units here are really huge. It's different from all other developments that we have. And then, of course, ang isa it boasts, kumbaga parang pinopromote namin dito is yung vacation lifestyle. Like, your view here is 360 ocean. So from that, you can, yeah. Please, if you have questions, please contact your property specialist. Then we have Galleria Residences sa Cebu City mismo. This is near UP Cebu. Ayan, if familiar kayo. Sorry. Galleria Residences Cebu City. This one is interconnected to a mall, which is Robinson's Galleria Cebu. Ayan siya. So it's like yung property namin, which is Magnolia. If you're familiar with that, sa San Juan, or yes, New Manila. So it's nice because you don't have to worry when it comes to your essentials. You're very near to the mall. Baba ka lang ng unit mo, yun na, mall na. Everything is in there. Like, of course, as you know, Robinson's malls, there are, of course, cinema, food, you know, supermarket, and shopping, kind of. And then the last one is Mantawi Residences. Yeah. So Mantawi is located in Mantawi City, very near to Cebu City. And it boasts 1.3 hectares of amenities. Sobrang laki. It has 4 towers, and then we were able to launch Tower 1. So this is our most premium development in the Queen City of the South, which is Cebu. Alright, next slide. So, yung clients natin or our referrals are, kumbaga, they are looking for ready for occupancy properties we have. However, the downside about RFO projects, we only have limited units na. Kasi pre-selling stage pa lang, nauubos na siya. Alright? The good thing about pre-selling is that you can choose whichever